This is a recovery point.
Specificity manual met a recovery point, a tow point.
This is the recovery point. It's fitted on the chassis. It's factory fitted.
I have the same on the 2.4 Hilux, but the manual says it's just a tow point.
It's a recovery point. It's exactly the same as that car. These are the same. It's a recovery point. There's nothing else.
I don't have the fact.
Some vehicles has got under bumpers, they've got hooks. That's recovery points. Can you use that? We'll get to my car and we'll have a look. Yeah, I guess you can. But what bolts are used to put this on? There was a video going around about a year ago. Guy that was snatched on the dunes. The whole bumper came off.
What?
Yeah. So make sure that so this can be very pretty, but is it attached properly? Okay, so yes, you've got 2 recovery points in front. This vehicle is stuck here. The only way to reach it is from there, from that direction. So I'm going to pull it in that direction. It's the only way we can do it. Will this last?
Should.
These things bend like nothing. They bend like nothing.
Use a cradle.
Bridle.
Even then, they bend.
Is it?
Yeah, they bend. So, apologies, I'm just being honest about it. This must be at least this thick. At least 12, 15 mil thick. At least to prevent it from bending.